Digital transformation and information technology has been revolutionizing various fields like manufacturing, banking, energy, transportation, and aerospace. More cars, mobiles, TVs, and airplanes are being produced in the fastest possible time at lower cost, with minimum wastage. These industries use advanced IT tools and software that make them manage their projects, products and resources efficiently to deliver better outcomes on time with optimum resources. Some of these tools are project lifecycle management and digital twin technologies. Although the construction and building industry is 10 times larger than manufacturing, it still falls behind in technology adoption. Introducing Twin Infra, a platform that integrates the industry best practices like building lifecycle management, digital twin, and common data environment into a single platform that will help the construction professional in design, planning, execution, and handover to work seamlessly and collaborate to reduce wastage, cost, and time overruns. Twin Infra comes with a project management module that independently handles the design and execution phase of the construction and connects it with the various flows followed by the construction industry. Engineers from the design office can seamlessly collaborate with the field workers who are at site handling the execution. Users can create tasks and assign them to individuals, groups, or based on roles for the team to collaborate and execute. The task can be visualized on a graphical Gantt chart, making life easier to manage the project. This simple, yet intuitive project management interface ensures that all stakeholders of a project are in sync with what's happening, what is to be done, and what actions are to be taken to overcome bottlenecks. Twin Infra's collaborative project insights help the design team and execution team to work efficiently and deliver projects on time. Twin Infra comes with a powerful document management system that is built on top of the industry-leading data management tool, Autodesk Vault. The built-in 3D viewer based on Autodesk Forge helps users to visualize drawings, 3D models, IoT sensor data, and any other external data in 3D or as a drawing. This 3D viewer also facilitates users at office or in the field to create markups, remarks, and comments to send it back to the design office for further changes. This 3D feature of Twin Infra brings visual clarity of communication and quick resolution to errors between teams, thereby reducing costly mistakes and cost overruns. Further, features like submittals, RFI, and transmittals enable rapid communication of field issues, clarifications, and exchange of important drawings and documents, thereby improving speed of clarifications, corrections, and timely deliveries. The persona-based dashboards, reports, and insights for both projects, designs, and execution phases ensure faster decision-making for the owners, architects, contractors, and engineers. In the coming days, Twin Infra would include costing, safety, IoT, and external data linking capabilities that will make it a comprehensive digital twin platform for the construction industry. Twin Infra will be available soon for beta testing to its customers and will be available globally through experienced partners from Q3 2023. Twin Infra can be deployed on a local LAN, private cloud, or on popular cloud platforms and comes with unlimited user access for a limited period to its elite customers. Join the Twin Infra revolution by implementing it on your construction and building projects to save up to 15% of your project costs.